day 2.
So excited, yeah.
So that's the Fern Hotel there. And then you walk. The station is just here,
Right
Ekta
here.
Nagar. And there is a bus. Once you come out of the station, there are these buses of Statue of Unity. There is a bus here. I don't know. Oh, they're taking us. Okay, let's go.
Let's grab a seat.
Hi friends, welcome back to day 2, and today the plan is that we go and see the safari, the petting zoo, the
That
Valley
will
of
be so much
Flowers.
fun.
That's the plan, and we just had breakfast and we have left the hotel.
So
That's the phone right there. These are e-rickshaws also, you can take that, but there are these free bus services that are there
They're
just
right here
outside
near
the station.
Yeah.
That's the station. You just board the bus and it will take you to the main Statue of Unity point. And then from there, let's figure out what happens. So come along and let's see how this day goes. Bye. Okay, so the bus that we took, it stopped at all the points that through the route, and one of the stop was the animal safari. So this is the entrance of the animal safari. We could take the online tickets as well, and just opposite the animal safari entrance is the petting zoo on the other side of the road. So if you want to do both these places, you can do both together. And we had no tickets for the petting zoo, so what we did was we took the offline tickets. So inside the animal safari, just at the entrance, you can also purchase the offline tickets, or you can also do the online tickets from the official website. I hope you're enjoying this video, friends, and I want to welcome again to the part 2 of the Statue of Unity. And if you have not checked out the first part of this Statue of Unity series, please go and check it out. I'll put the link in the description box below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I do some travel videos and also many recipe and food videos. So do check it out on my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to my channel and comment. Let me know what you think. And the petting zoo is damn cute. It has these little guinea pigs that just chill about, look around, and so many other pet animals. And once we did there, we went on the other side of the safari. Guys, believe me, this is one of the must do, I would say, the animal safari. It is made beautifully between greenery of the forest, and it is made really world class. I've been to many animal zoos. It has walk-in aviaries like this one and so much more. They also have some point to point indoor buggy system which is free of charge. It is part of the ticket. So there are these pick up and drop points with the buggies, because this is a very large space that the whole the safari is made. So if you have kids, or even if you as an adult want to spend some time, I think this is one of a very must do activities if you come here. And it will take you at least about 2.5 hours, depends on how much time you want to spend in the safari. But it's really fun, and we had a very great time over here. So we came in the morning. That was the first thing we did on day 2, because the animals are a little active also in the morning, then later in the day.
जिराफ है क्या?
The next we headed to was the Valley of Flowers. Again, you go to the pickup point and you can go to the Valley of Flowers. Guys, don't forget to wait till the end of the video because I'm going to share all the tips that you need when you come over here, where to stay, and so much more details. Now, the Valley of Flowers is, it's part of your Statue of Unity ticket. Okay, so you don't have to pay for it separately. So whatever kind of ticket you take to go to the statue, whether you do a viewing gallery or just the entrance, you can enjoy the Valley of Flowers. There are so many other places that you can check the description box below or the website. Now the food options are really plenty. This is one of the McDonald's very close to the railway station. It has veg and non-vegetarian. There are few non-vegetarian options in the area, but there are a lot of eating points or vegetarian options around. This is very close to the road. This is another food court. This is now inside the campus of Statue of Unity. This is just next to the mall that is there, or just next to the children's park, nutrition park. For hotels and stay options, there are, according to your budget, there are many hotel options. Where we stayed was the Fern Hotel. Now, the Fern Hotel is bank opposite the Ekta Nagar railway station. That's the Ekta Nagar railway station just over there. And so if you're going to even take the buses and all, the buses start from the station. So it's really convenient. Your cars will not be allowed inside in the Statue of Unity. Okay, coming to the tips. The first and the important one is wear good shoes. Make your kids wear also good shoes, and also you, because it will be a good thing to walk around. Also, there is the map on the Statue of Unity website, so just be familiar where you want to go. It will just make life easier and plan your day. Depending on the weather, carry caps, carry umbrella. When we went, it was raining, so I had to carry some rain jackets as well and umbrellas. And there are a lot of online booking options that to any of these places, so you can do the online booking. You can look at where all you want to go, plan your day, and you can also do the online ticket booking for the places that you want to visit. So you can decide as per your interest. And I hope you enjoy this video, friends. Do comment and like this video and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you in my other videos. Take care and bye.